Oh hey, welcome to the Tiny Cabin. You wanna come in? I'm Ksenia.
And I'm Eric.
Welcome to our home.
It's a tiny house mansion, as I call it.
At first, this house was nothing like it is now.
This room that we're in right now was the cabin.
A really smart move on our end was that we bought something that was within range for our finances, and we moved here and we lived here just the way it is to really figure out what our lifestyle is like and what we need before we invest into renovation, into building on, into changing things up. I would say the style is modern cabin chic. The inspiration was a lot of posts I was saving on Instagram and Pinterest and just going with the feeling of brightness because this still is a small space. And so we painted everything white in this main room and in the kitchen. The bathroom is white. So just opening up space and creating light through that was really helpful. Our renovation, this is really fun, started with just deciding to transform the back room that was on the back side of the house, turn that into our bedroom. And then we ended up adding a mudroom, which is coming in so handy in the middle of winter.
The other thing that was really big for us, the idea of something like the beauty of something old. And if you look at our siding from Centennial Woods, it is so awesome. The personality that it gives is massive.
Favorite DIY in the house also has to do with my favorite indulgence, and it's the crystal shower that Eric made. Eric is an artist, and so what he did is he created a crystal grid on epoxy that is right under a rain shower, which is under a skylight. I think that's one of the most important things about creating a home, is to make it a reflection of things that make you happy, not someone else on Pinterest or Instagram. Especially when you're living in a small space, it's so important to create those pockets that remind you what grounds you and what nourishes you.
You don't move to nature part-time. It's all in. But once you're in it and you're doing it, it's I would never have it any other way. And I'm really happy that we've done this, and it's the best decision we've ever made as adults. And it's the best thing for us together of what we built.